So what the R&D team focuses on is actually building like the next generation of GRC, platform, the App Studio tool, and a whole suite of products, close to about 20 to 30 different modules. So what we're doing here is in terms of, improving the analytics, overall usability of the product, making it cloud ready. There's a lot of big data, kind of systems that we are bringing in. And there is this whole concept of enterprise applications, right? So we have, some of our customers using the tool. There are about 250K users who are, using the system concurrently at any point of time. So we'll have to build these systems that, scale up to this level, right? And there is a lot of focus also on building our own frameworks. So we very rarely, go out to the market, take a already existing product. So there's a lot of innovation that, goes on within the R&D team. There is this whole, when you actually deliver to a large enterprise, right? There is this whole thing about how do you make the products more secure? How do you make it scale to the enterprise, like we talked about? R&D covers a lot of aspects, a lot of things that we do in-house, like we build a lot of proprietary frameworks. So it's almost like, you get an exposure to start something from scratch.
It is one of the few companies which has grown from a startup base and now on its way to become a big corporate. It's been very successful in building this company. Secondly, MetricStream has created a new market, which is GRC was never existing before MetricStream. It was all different qualities and various kind of compliance, those kind of products. MetricStream managed to get it together and created a vision. So that vision is something which drives all and bind the whole MetricStreamers together to build something very new. Then third is that the opportunity for technology innovation is a lot. Actually, the sky is the limit. MetricStream started about 10 years back, and since then they are building a platform. So I'm sure people understand that building a platform is quite an interesting technology challenge. So now we are in the phase where we are trying to build a next generation platform, which will include all the stack of what we call SMAC, social, mobile, analytics and cloud, and also some of the latest technologies that we use for like algorithms, machine learning, and lots, just to name a few. So at the moment, MetricStream is undergoing a transformation where we are building the next gen platform.
And when I heard about MetricStream and I heard about their work in the GRC solution, it's a statement we like to make in MetricStream. We make the world a safer place. We're all about risk management, about handling risk proactively, about identifying what could go wrong for organizations. I was recently remarking that what the NSA does for the US government, MetricStream does for corporations. And MetricStream is actually working with most of these organizations to figure out how they can better manage their risk, how we should be using technology.
We have technologists who are working here on Java, JavaScript, big data, Oracle. A lot of these DevOps kind of technologies are also we are bringing in because of this whole move to cloud. So there is an exciting set of opportunities for candidates to actually explore, and the whole aspect is about solving complex problems. If that excites you, if you really want to come in and challenge the status quo, ask questions like why are we doing it this way and why not do it differently, then I think this is the right place to be. We have a lot of guys who are graduated out of IIT, BITS Pilani, who are actually working here. So they also get a chance to interact with some of these bright minds here and develop their own own career.
There's a lot of enthusiasm in the team, and more so we are working with the core platform, building it. So there are a lot of opportunities that we have, and people are really passionate for what they are doing. So I find it very interesting in working, especially in the security area, which is a niche area to work with. My advice to all the new folks would be, who could join MetricStream, would be it's a great place to work with. Couple of reasons that I can cite for it is, one is the people. They're quite mature and passionate about what they are doing. Second, most importantly, is the support that you get from your peers and from your managers to work in the areas that you want to. Third would be the opportunities that you get here, because since we are building the core platform, there are a lot of opportunities available. You just have to be there to grab them. And most importantly, the vision of the company, which is to make this world a better place with integrated GRC solution.
It's actually a very interesting place to be at now. It's a new domain. Very few organizations have the opportunity now to offer their employees a new area to work in. Very few organizations have the opportunity that MetricStream has to offer its employees of constant innovation. This is so new and so rapidly changing that we're continuously innovating.